Hey, it's Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the Ecobee4 Smart Thermostat. This Wi-Fi thermostat works with most HVAC systems including multistage, dual fuel heat pumps, and radiant heat systems. The Ecobee4 is a 4-heat, 2-cool heat pump thermostat with auto changeover and 7-day programmability. Operating on 24 volts, it can save users an average of 23% annually on heating and cooling costs. It comes with a power extender kit so it doesn't rely on other equipment to charge, and a room sensor to help manage hot and cold spots in the home. Amazon Alexa voice service and microphones with far-field voice recognition are built in, allowing users to ask the Ecobee4 to play music, set a timer, or even set the temperature from across the room. Users can also use the Ecobee app with Android and iOS devices to easily control temperature and thermostat settings anytime, anywhere. The thermostat monitors heating and cooling systems and issues alerts if it senses something wrong. It has a 3.5-inch intuitive full-color LCD touchscreen display and comes with a 3-year standard warranty with an additional 2 years for pro purchase and install. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.